So guys and girls, what is up? It's Tech. Today we'll be unboxing a power bank. Right, so this power bank is a Poweradd Pilot 2G. Not bad. It's the back of it. It's not the biggest company, but it's got very good stuff about it. So this is what it looks like inside. The power bank's on the top, so you can see the Poweradd sign on the bottom, near the bottom. And then when you pull this up, Android cable is here, so you can charge it with that and all that. You can use this for app as well. When it comes, then a little booklet comes up. So it's a 10,000 mAh battery. And yeah, there's not only one, there's actually two booklets. I'm not happy. Alright, so this gives you a bit of information about the company and stuff. And yeah, let's open up. This is what it looks like. Quite a cool design. It's got the barcode at the bottom, and on the top we've got the plugins. On by checking, and you connect the charger, so it's on the charger, and then you connect something. So you don't have to use the wire that they give you, use your own one. So as you can see here, I'm using my Samsung one. And yeah, best thing is it's got fast charging and normal charging right in that bag. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new.